Alright, so here's a quick review of the process. I'll have to show some of it to you later. So right now, see, these are clean, those are everything except that bucket and that bucket are clean. Those need to be washed. We wash them, we just soak them in the water, rub them off, put them in here. Then they'll move over to the cutting station where we actually don't have to really cut them this year. Just looking for bad spots and cut those out. And then once that's done, we'll move over to the press here. What'll happen is we'll turn the motor on. There's some teeth down in here that will grind it all out, and it will go into one of these baskets that has these liners in it. And then once that's full with chopped apples, it'll move underneath the press here. So we'll close the bag, we'll put this guy on top, and then it'll go on there and it'll press, and it'll come out here into one of these pans that has some netting in there to filter a little bit more. Then once that's full, it'll come over here and it'll go into these bottles. And there's the Liam. It's 8:33 and we're still at it. I shouldn't say we. I said they. They are at it. Simon's pretending. He hasn't done jack today. I've done so much more work than he has. They're claiming
that's like 4 gallons right there.
That they're going to drink all of that.
Are you seriously going to drink all that?
Yes. Oh. Why are the wives so worried? We'll be fine.
Maybe we should put some money. No. Allison's over here interfering by drinking some. Interference on the spouse.
There we go, 1 cup. Yep, one full cup. That's 1 cup. If you don't want to measure it out every time, that's where 1 cup's at. Oh, you're using a different cup. I don't think 1 cup's good. Whoa!
Don't count these ones yet. Go count the ones on the table.
2 cups. Is that 3? You just chugged that? You drink the whole thing? Wow. I'm not doing it. You had 3? Yeah, I had 3. No, that one doesn't count. No, that was 4. What? No, it's not.
No, you guys are not drinking that. Don't be dumb.
Every time.
Yeah, I know.
Why do you...
We have some news.
Sam's quitting at 4. Sorry, Miles.
That's only a quarter of a gallon.
Oh, you want a little bit more? Just so I can win.
We have the winner over here.
Winner gets the backhand loser. That's it!
Well, that's going to be it for this adventure. Hundreds of gallons. We did over 200 half gallons, plus the stuff that we gave to neighbors. My brother's got a friend coming over. We gave some to everybody else. They went and got gallon jugs too, so we probably did close to 150, 200 gallons today. Crazy.